In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can read Snapchat messages without opening them. First of all, for Android users. So basically, this is our targeted chat which we want to read without opening. So I'm trying to move the screen to the right and I can see the map is showing up, which we really don't want. So what we really need to do here? Well, we got a new chat and you need to focus on the following picture area and tap and swipe the screen to the right. Now you can see there are 2 points. You will not see these points. This is just for demonstration where your fingers should be. The top one, first use the top one, and then for the remaining part you can use the second finger to swipe the screen to the right, but make sure to not do it all the way to the right, and once you read the message, scroll it back to its original position. That's how you can read the chat without opening it. Now for iPhone users. For iPhone users, if we scroll our screen to the right or swipe our screen to the right, and we can see the map here, which we actually don't want to see. So what you need to do here, let's see, you need to do the same thing. Focus on the profile picture area and tap and hold. Make sure to keep it hold and swipe to the right side to read the chat without opening it. You need to be really careful here, and one thing you should consider is not to swipe all the way to the right and have some space on the right side, as you can see on the screen. Otherwise it will completely open up. So that's how you can read the chat on iPhone without opening the chat. But now we can open the chat to just show you how it works. So that's how you can read the chat on Snapchat without opening the messages. So make sure to subscribe and watch these videos also.